In the analysis phase of the project, earlier we have talked about few tools. We have talked about lean tools and we have talked about FMEA. Now let's look at one more tool here, which is RCA or root cause analysis. Rather than calling this thing as a tool, I would prefer to call this as a set of tool or as an approach to analyze the problem. RCA or the root cause analysis is a structured process to identify root cause of an event that resulted in an undesirable outcome and develop corrective actions. That's the definition of RCA. But let's understand here, for any problem there is a cause. There was a oil on the floor. There was a cause for that. The cause was that machine was leaking and that led to oil on the floor. So for anything, for any defect, for any problem, for any Six Sigma project where you're looking at the problem, there would be a cause for that. To remove the problem, one thing you can do is you eliminate the cause. But what we do most of the times is we look at the immediate cause. But then there is a root cause of the problem as well. So if you dig deeper into that and you find out the root cause of that, and if you eliminate that, that can help you in resolving or solving that problem forever. So here we need to understand the difference between the cause and the symptoms. Symptoms are something which you see on the face. Let's say if I have fever. Fever is a symptom. I can take a medicine to reduce the fever. But then what I'm doing is I'm removing the symptom. I'm not removing the cause of that fever. Cause of that fever could be infection. Cause of that fever could be flu. Whatever is the cause. But just by removing symptoms, you don't remove the problem totally. What you do is you sort of postpone the problem. So problem goes away for some time, but then again it comes back. So to remove the problem permanently, what you need to do is you need to find out the root cause and eliminate that. So that's the background of root cause analysis. Now there are different tools for this. Let's move on to the next slide and look at some of the tools which you can use for the root cause analysis. So here in Six Sigma Yellow Belt, we will be talking about these 4 tools which you can use for root cause analysis. And these are 5 whys, process mapping, force field analysis and matrix chart. So with this understanding, now let's move on to the next video and learn these tools one by one, starting with 5 whys on the next video.